To post your ads and manage your offers, click on the Post and Manage Offers button. Click on Treatment,
Click Search by category.
then select from the list.
Set the package of your treatment. For example, if this was a hair removal deal, you'd click on duration, set courses, and then the number of courses available for that treatment. In this case, as we're doing a haircut deal, select session and then select 1. This is not to be confused with the calendar booking times. You can customize your title or leave it as it is.
Which gender are you applying the treatment for? Select the appropriate one.
Next, click on Schedule.
Select the days of which you want your ad to show. In this case, it will be our opening hours. You can leave the end date and time as continuous. However, if there's a particular occasion, such as Valentine's Day or Christmas, you can set how long you want that deal to run for. The Select Time section is where your booking dates and times will be available to and from. Next, set the price of your offer. If you have a discount on this offer, click the toggle on. Set the percentage. Your new treatment price will be shown below. Once you're done, click on Save. Click on Business Conditions. You can either type or paste your business conditions in. If you'd like to use this condition more than once, simply click on Save to Stored Conditions, then click on Save.
Click on Treatment Description. Here you can add your own description of the treatment, or you can use the one that's provided to you. Click on Save. Click on Select Image. Choose the appropriate image you'd like that will represent your offer well. Click on Next. Here is a preview of what your offer would look like on the dashboard. This is what all your customers and potential customers will be seeing. Click on Next. Select the time of how long your treatment will be for. And click on Next. If it's a person carrying out the treatment, click on People. Select the name. You can either save and go live now with your deal, or you can save it for later.